going on, people? Today was a bit of a weird trade. Um, you know, if you don't know already, you probably already know by the time you're watching this, but there was some tariff news today that kind of went out in like the middle of the day. But so honestly, I think there was been people on the inside that kind of knew about this, so that's why our trade kind of got crapped on. Let's see here. Okay, here was today's trade. So on the higher time frame, right at market open, I saw that we were literally hitting equilibrium, which is this box. We were literally hitting equilibrium, which was weird because we actually already hit equilibrium the day before, and yesterday that's what I should took my trade off of. Yesterday was the equilibrium level. Obviously, I didn't do that, so pretty mad about that. But hey, I got to move on because just move on. Next day, no, new chance. So anyway, I was kind of weirded out because we did not sweep off of anything. There is nothing down here to sweep off of. This not even this candle, not even this candle. Like there was nothing to sweep off of even here. So I was low or here. I mean, I was low key like weirded out. Um. So yeah, I was like, okay. I mean, whatever market wants to do, I don't really mind. Again, right here, literally nothing. Like literally nothing. There's just nothing here to like not even like these lows. So obviously I'm gonna go with my bias. I'm not gonna change my bias. And even with this, me being unsure about where prices are going today, um, there was a fair value gap here. So I was like, okay, or I think there was. Uh, no, that's something different. That's just I think just the order block. But anyway, there was like a fair value gap there or whatever. So I'm like, okay, great. I mean, we're gonna go right into it, and then we're gonna bounce off like we did the previous day. And obviously, that's not what happened today because we got crapped on here. So market opened. Let me mark it out here. Right here. I was like, I saw the first two candles. I was like, oh great, we're just gonna do this again. We're gonna go straight up and whatever. But we actually didn't do that. So we came up here and we kind of chopped. And actually, we came up and we chopped. And this is the candle we hit equilibrium. Obviously, you got to bounce off of that. But I wanted to break structure. My nearest break of structure was right here, actually. Nearest break structure is right there. So I was looking for a break of structure off that at least. But then nothing happened. Came up here. Boom. Order block formed right here. This upward candle for the downward candle. Candle's following. So we got the we got the order block there. I was like, okay, great. Let's see if we can um, break structure after that. Because again, I like to see a break of structure as a or a fourth confirmation. Make sure that we are in fact going to go down to that level. I think we are. So, really late trade. I did not get the confirmation. Um, to like almost 11:30. Yeah, because I wanted to go off of this candle here. So we are kind of chopping, and honestly, that was a red flag. Like we were just chopping, and I really did not get in to like 11. No, 10:50. I got in at 10:50, and we honestly like I got in late too. I should have got in here, but I got in here because I was not paying attention. I don't know why. I don't know why I can't lock in on it, but I was not paying attention, and that kind of screwed me a little bit because we came down and take profit. I had a partial set for right here. Obviously, that didn't even get filled. Um, and we just kind of just shattered up here. Like if we look at the yeah, if we look at here, we just kind of like did nothing. So I eventually was like, all right, we're not getting anywhere, and I pulled out. I think I lost about $300, $340 right here. So $340, $350 loss say, which I'm not that mad about because we had a great trade Friday. And then right here, I was sitting in science class and I got this candle and I got alert that we were up 5% on NASDAQ and S&P. So I was like, whoa, what's going on? So I looked at it. I was like, holy cow, 15 minutes and we've done this. I was like, what? Like what's going on? It's up 7%. And I looked on X, and I guess he took off some of the tariffs, which means probably got some negotiations going. And honestly, I think we're back. Like the S&P as a whole, I do think we are back for the most part. I'm not gonna go in detail of all that stuff, but I do think we are back for the most part. Honestly, in just like the next like 2 weeks, if I'm being honest, like the next 2 weeks, I think we'll probably be like back and locked in. So that was that. TGR took the same trade as me today. Yesterday he took the one on the downward movement that I should have taken. I saw it though. Dude, it makes me so mad. I saw it. But anyway, he took the same trade today. Got stopped out. I got stopped out. Again, $350. I'm not that mad. Honestly, I'm not that mad. Because I know we can just make it back tomorrow. And honestly, with this bullish movement, I'm feeling even more confident tomorrow. So, I mean, that was that. Crypto, I did put a lot of money in crypto, like a lot of money in crypto. And honestly, I only put in about half of my position into crypto for this cycle on, was it like 2 days ago? And then I go this morning to put the rest of my money in. Then put the rest of my, to buy the rest of my coins and stuff. And then I see that my account has been suspended because my payment didn't go through my bank account. So I had to call Chase and get that sorted out, and I still haven't gotten the money through. So honestly, crypto-wise, I'm kind of fucked, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I mean, honestly, like, it's just, dude, it's too bad, but still getting in right now is still so good. Like, it's still so good. But, you know, we'll see. We'll see. Didn't even sweep it. Look, we didn't even sweep that. Honestly, didn't even like we still like can come down. I believe that we can because again, crypto's independent. Like, yes, it relies off the U.S. stock market a little bit, but it's still like fairly independent. So, that was it for today, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a good trade. I can feel it, dude. It's gonna be a good trade tomorrow. Very confident here. Without all this nonsense, fake news, whatever you want to say. It's just getting old to me, so a lot more confident, stuff like that. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Later.